It's the day after my birthday. Pretty excited to be 28 now. Kind of feel old, but I don't feel like super old. But it's cool to be 28. And I want to talk about. I'm gonna change the subject. I want to talk about a car that I really don't like. Um, One reason I don't like the car, I'm 6'2", don't fit in this car at all, not even in the passenger seat. But I enjoy my ride, so my perception of this car, as far as handling, has been changed. But still, the Miata is not one of my favorite cars. I'm gonna cut to the clip and show you guys what's going on. So, right at this point, we're about to go around a turn. It's an entrance to the freeway, but it's a turn, and the turn is not a sharp turn. It's more like a coil type turn. I don't really know what to call it, but we were going so fast around this turn. I don't know if it was just the intensity of riding in the passenger seat, not being the driver, or the fact that we were sliding around the turn, but it excited me. It's so intense to be inside that car. Not only am I squished in the car like a sardine, um, I'm holding on to. At that point, I was holding on to the door handle for my life. I felt like, I'm not even gonna lie, I felt the adrenaline. So at that point, I was just, I was laughing because it was a crazy ride. But yeah, he was pretty cool, man. He gave me a ride along in his Miata and stuff like that, man. That Miata was quick. And it handled good, man. It hugged to the road, man. We was having fun all night. We ended up making it out to the car event. And then later on coming back the next day or whatever. And yeah, he was cool enough to come through again and give me this. So he ended up gifting me a K&N cold air intake for my sn95. You guys know this car. For those of you who watch, this is my white sn95 with the Celine kit. Right now, still working out some bugs with this car. This car is like always got a problem. But one of the problems was that I was constantly always changing my oil. And instead of going to go get a new filter, I kind of wanted to go with a BBK cold air intake with this one too, just like I did with my other Mustang. But since I've had this filter on, I feel like it'll make a great difference now that I got clean air flowing into the engine instead of the contaminated air that was going in before. With my old air intake, it was easy for all type of debris and everything to get within the engine and the oil and everything. So I'm kind of glad that I got that out the way. So I'll probably be going to go to my local O'Reilly's, going to go pick up a cleaner to try to clean out those cylinders best I can without taking the engine apart. Praying that it worked. But I feel like it performs a whole lot better. Yep, and that concludes this video, man. I did give y'all a little bit of that one tire fire. And I'm out, man. Peace.